Hey there everybody, so I'm absolutely stoked and buzzing. My mind's been blown since yesterday. Last night I was sat on the webinar with Paul Turner, Paul Lynch, Eric Green and the rest of the Faceless Flipping crew. Now, they introduced something brand new to Faceless Flipping and it's just absolutely incredible. I can't even get the words out. That's how incredible it is. I mean, I seriously cannot get the words out. This is for the Inner Circle team. Now, I'm going to press replay, but I'm going to keep the volume down. I'm going to show you on Paul Lynch's Facebook page the new video that he has created with the new bit of software that they have got for the Inner Circle. So I'm just going to replay. Check the quality of this out. I mean, I've got the volume down because of licenses agreements and all this, but look at the quality of that, the facial expressions and everything. How realistic is that? He's done a World War I video using AI for Remembrance Day to share with people exactly what it would be like living in those times. How incredible are the graphics on this? I mean, seriously, look at it. Look how smooth and elegant that looks. I mean, it almost looks like it's a film. It's that realistic. That realistic. Unbelievable. So, as you can see, the new update that they have in this back office in the Inner Circle is incredible. And not only that, I've also put out there for you guys, right? This is something a little bit special that I wanted to give to you. 30 ways to make money using TikTok. So I'm giving this away for free, okay? Absolute free, no money whatsoever. All you got to do is just go to this URL. So it's https://kevinebsworth.com 30-ways. And that will take you to this. Fill out your details here and click, yes, I want instant access. And what will happen is the fact that it will be sent straight to your email. So you'll have that free in your email box as a gift from me, okay? So why don't you go ahead, check out this, go and get your 30 ways to make money on TikTok, and I'll see you on the next video.
Andy Petoskey here, and I just had to do a quick shout out today. So I have started a new account on TikTok less than a week ago. And yesterday, my first star of the show video was created and posted for me on my new TikTok account. It's been insane. So less than 30 hours ago, this video was posted. And I'm telling you, it's Saturday, and now I'm spending all day just looking at my TikTok account, watching the numbers go crazy. I've never seen anything like this. I've been on TikTok before and really haven't had success. But since joining this Faceless Flipping program, and now I had my first star of the show video posted for me yesterday. We get them every Friday, by the way. I wish we got them every day, but anyway, we get them every Friday. My first one was posted yesterday. Check this out. Here's an image that I took a screenshot of just a few minutes ago. This video is over 105,000 views. I've gained 350 plus followers. I have 2,200 likes just on this one video. This is insane. I've never seen anything like this in my life. I'm well on my way to the $1 million club. I'm going to have a video that hits 1 million views. And do you know there's all these different ways you can monetize TikTok? Crazy. This is insane. Faceless Flipping. I'm so geeked I can't even talk. Faceless Flipping. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Can't wait to get my next star of the show video.